What's up, my crypto legends? This is the Bitcoin price on the 1 hourly chart, and I see this potential head and shoulder pattern. As you can see, we are losing the support line. When this video is out, we might be all the way down here, but you might have time to enter a short position. Remember, we do need to see some volume confirmation, and we have this heavy support. We're going to talk about this in this episode, so don't rush in any short trades just yet. Now, let's take a look at Ethereum also in this episode, because it does look like that we might be forming a huge double top here, as you can see on the 4 hourly chart. If we lose this support range, it looks like that we are going to come all the way down here to retest the $2,950 area. We're also taking a look at Litecoin, because Litecoin has lost a very important uptrend support, as you can see here on the chart. Will Litecoin come all the way down to $160? This is what we are going to talk about in today's episode, guys. And remember to take advantage of this amazing bonus that Phemex has now. 11 days left to get up to $2,500 with my link in the description. Said this, let's go straight into the video. Hello there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Daily TA on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. I also do live streams to connect with the community. I'm not a financial advisor. Don't buy or sell anything that I say. If you do so, do your own research. Let's dive in. All right, taking a look at the Bitcoin price here on the 1 hourly, it does look like, okay, guys, that we are losing this major support. If I zoom in right over here, we can clearly see that we have some support here from these lower lows, and we are currently just losing this range. Okay, now we need to see a little bit of more confirmation here. I wouldn't be shorting this just yet, only because if we zoom out, remember guys, we still have this insane support from this massive channel over here. Okay, we do have, you know, several touches. We do have this touch over there, as you can see, another one here, another one here. We're just about, you know, about to touch it here. The touch is around about the $47,000 approximately. Okay, so we do still have some run to the downside. Now, if we do get heavy supported, this could easily still be a fake out. If we start losing this major support, it is going to be a great shorting opportunity. Now, the measured move from this head and shoulder, okay guys, if you can see it right over there, this is a head and shoulder pattern. Now, getting the head to the neckline from the breakout, we can see that the Bitcoin price could come all the way down to the $45,000 area. Okay, it might not drop straight away, it might take a little bit, but it does look like that the Bitcoin price is finally, you know, losing steam here, and we are going to come to lower levels. So that would be my price target, round about the $45,000 if we do manage to break here nicely with some volume. Okay, confirming this breakout also from the support from my yellow trend here from the channel, as you can see on the chart. And if you're an experienced trader, feel free to join my Bitcoinsensus team for the Bybit World Series of Trading competition, guys. Let's try and win this competition. And also remember, guys, take advantage of this insane bonus of Phemex up to $2,500 with my link in the description. Up to 11 days you got to claim this bonus. Now let's take a look at Ethereum. This is going to be a pretty quick video, guys, because it does look like everything is looking very, very bearish at this moment. Now, if I get a trend box here, as you can see, we are losing also this major support range for Ethereum, which is the 3,130. We did get nicely some good support and resistance, and now we're just about to lose it right over here. Now, if we do lose this level, it is very, very likely that we are going to come down to the $2,950 range, okay, which would be this line that I got over here. We got supported here nicely, so it's very, very likely that the price action is going to be like this, guys, to the downside. Now, only if a Bitcoin eventually does have that major drop. So if this does happen, we're going to pay close attention, because we might be forming a pretty decent double top pattern here, and we do not want to lose the 2,900 2,800 range. Okay, it's super important that we hold this area, because if we do not hold, we might have a severe drop to the downside. Now let's take a look here. The bearish case scenario would be holding this range, this being a fake out over here, okay, and then coming back up or coming back down and getting a massive bounce from this range. But it is very, very likely that from the 3,100 we're going to come down to the $2,950 Okay, everything is just looking a little bit over extended here for Bitcoin and Ethereum, so we are looking for potentially that drop, okay, especially if Bitcoin does have that drop with some volume now of this support. Let's take a look at Litecoin, because Litecoin also is not looking too good. I'm expecting Litecoin to have that next major leg up to the $210, $215, just because I thought this major trend line was going to hold nicely as support. But it seems like that we are losing. We are having a similar pattern as Ethereum, where we did create a top and now we've created the second top. Now it is very likely here, zooming in on the Litecoin price, that on the 1 hourly you can clearly see that this is a double top pattern right over there. So now we did have this severe drop and we created a kind of bear flag, as you can see here on the chart, and we're just about losing it. Now there is, remember guys, we're looking for price action and volume. We have this price action to the downside with this amount of volume. We've created a bear flag. Now we're losing this support level from the bear flag. So it is very, very likely that the Litecoin price will be coming down to the $160 to $164, which would be the measured move from this potential bear flag. Okay guys, now as you can see, if I zoom out right over here, that the Litecoin major support here is around about the $160, as you can see here on the chart, and it is perfectly the stop that we were going to get now after breaking the support from this bear flag. Now this is what I got guys for this episode. Remember, I might be doing a live stream afterwards, so make sure to hit the notification. If it's not afterwards, I will be doing tomorrow. I'm going to do several live streams a week, okay, so make sure to hit the notification bell. You'll be notified every time I'm going to do a live stream, guys. And check out the Bitcoinsensus website if you haven't done yet. We've got the latest news and technical analysis. The latest news today is how many US investors will hold their crypto and why. New survey reveals. Check it out guys, the link is in the description. You also have exchange reviews where you can find the best bonuses and the best fees, okay, on different exchanges here for cryptocurrency. If you haven't seen my Bybit or PrimeXBT tutorial to learn how to trade on those platforms, there's a video on the screen right now. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.